The pandemic may have created a nationwide shortage in nurses, but that isn't holding back tomorrow's caregivers from pursuing one of the most trusted professions. It seems the pandemic is also the inspiration for many to help in the healthcare industry. KIMT News 3's Samantha Soto talks with those behind the stethoscope to find out what keeps them going and why the future looks bright for those pursuing a nursing career.
Nursing will always be an in-demand profession. I had the opportunity of speaking to Mayo Clinic nurses who share with me the inspirational stories that led them to follow the career path to nursing school. Elizabeth Stulak is a bedside nurse in the medical ICU at Mayo Clinic.
You are in a profession that you really can change somebody's life.
When she was 3 years old, her father was diagnosed with a terminal heart condition. In 2009, her dad underwent a heart transplant. Suffering strokes throughout, nurses were at his bedside 24/7 during his recovery. Because her father was of Vietnamese background, a Vietnamese nurse was sent to care for him. When he spoke to her dad in his native language, her father started regaining his memory that very day.
I just thought, like, this is like so beautiful. It's like so powerful to be able to be at the bedside and be able to make those little decisions that actually can change somebody's life.
This fall, Minnesota State College Southeast opened its first program in Associate of Science and Nursing. Janine Mason is the Associate Dean of Nursing at the college. With more applicants than space available for fall 2021 and spring 2022, Mason hopes to fulfill the demand for nurses.
Becoming a nurse takes integrity and professionalism and teamwork. And right now, a lot of flexibility and resiliency and some grit. Being a nurse is not easy, but certainly rewarding.
Michaela Morinville's first exposure to the nursing profession was from a patient's perspective. Now she is a cardiac surgery and transplant ICU registered nurse at Mayo. At 16 years old, she was diagnosed with severe pneumonia, which later progressed to acute respiratory distress syndrome. After spending more than half a year inpatient at St. Mary's Hospital, she tells me her caregivers left such an impact they became her family and closest friends.
Time and time again, nurses have proven to be the most trusted professional, and they're the frontline emotional support of these patients. You know, they're the face of healthcare.
And I will always remember the nurses that took care of my dad.
Both Morinville and Stulak tell me the significant impact nurses have had in their own lives, allowing them to view the profession from a whole new perspective. In Rochester, Samantha Soto, KIMT News 3.
If you're interested in the nursing career field, Mayo Clinic hosts a program for high school students called Discover Mayo Clinic. It investigates healthcare careers. A spring session highlighting the nursing profession will begin in February.